It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Should you wait for your ex to contact you first? No, you should contact your ex when you feel it is time to start talking to him or her again. The idea behind the no contact rule is to help you recover from the breakup, regain trust, and figure out how to fix what was broken in your relationship. Once you've accomplished all that, you need to approach your ex in a certain way so that you both can start talking again and slowly build a new relationship. If you keep waiting for your ex or for him to contact you, your ex may never reach out because he may be waiting for you too. Also, if you are waiting for your ex, you are not really moving on with your life and letting yourself succumb. If you want to leave your ex, don't wait for it, just focus on moving on. And if you want your ex back, don't wait for it, reach out to him or her and start rebuilding the attraction and connection. How long should you wait for your ex to come back? As I told you before in other articles, waiting for your ex to come back is a misconception. If you're waiting for something to happen on its own, you're wasting your time. Doesn't it make more sense to be proactive and prepare for the best and worst outcomes? If you want your ex back, it is better to be proactive and take action. You should wait after a breakup, but not for your ex to come back. These are the things you should expect. You must wait to recover from the breakup. You should wait to regain trust after the breakup. You must wait to calm down to stop feeling needy or desperate. You should wait until you have discovered the root cause of the breakup. It should wait until you have figured out how to fix what was broken. You should wait until you discover if getting your ex back is a healthy decision for you. Once you feel that it is the right time, you should contact your ex and try to get that love back. If it doesn't work, just cut your losses and move on. How long does it take after a breakup to get back together with your ex? In most cases, couples get back together between 1 and 6 months after the breakup. This statistic only includes couples who stayed together in a long-term relationship. To be more precise, 58.2% of participants who returned and stayed with their ex did so between 1 and 6 months after the breakup. Conclusion: if you want to get your ex back, your goal should be to get back into a healthy relationship that lasts a long time. And to do this, you must take some time apart and focus on yourself for a while. Yes, you should wait after a breakup before trying to get your ex back. But you should be waiting for the right reasons. Waiting is not a mind game that will make your ex want to get back with you. Waiting after a breakup is meant to help you gain some perspective and grow as a person. When you feel like you've recovered from the breakup and grown enough, you approach your ex in a certain way so you can begin the process of rebuilding attraction. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.